Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, software developer. We are looking into SQLite Database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain about default constraint, and for that, I'm going to use this simple table, so which I'm going to create in this video now. And you can see in the unique constraint, and I just created unique and check constraint for some columns in the table, which I already explained in the previous video. So if you did not watch it, so you can go and watch it for particular constraints, unique and check constraints. And now we are going to talk about the default constraint, right? So I'm going to create this table without default constraint. So now if I execute, so I can create the in table properly without any error. So now I'm going to add the new rows. I already wrote this query, and you can see uh, I'm going to insert the values into the table without customer name. So I didn't mention the customer name in the list, and also I did not give the value for the customer name. So if I execute, so what will be the result? So let's check. So the customer name is null. So I don't want customer name value. I don't want to be the customer name is null. So instead I just want to give some values if the uh, if whenever I insert values without customer name. Okay, so for that I'm going to drop the table to create uh, uh, it newly. And not only for customer, you can use the default constraint for any column on the on the table. Default no customer. So I'm giving no customer. The default value is no customer. Whenever I insert the row without customer name, so it will take the default value and insert in the row. So now you can see if I execute, the table is created. So also I just want to execute that insert query. Now the result will be, you can see, now this time we are getting no customer instead of null. In last time we got null value in a customer name, right? Because we have no customer name in the insert query, customer value in the name value in the insert query. So now I just gave a default constraint to the customer name column. So now it will automatically, by default, it will insert the default value into the row, in the particular row of the table. Okay, I hope you can understand what default constraint is. In the next video, I'll come up with a different topic of SQLite database. Yeah, bye.